Hi traders, in today's video I am going to tell you the top tips about how to choose the perfect expert advisor, perfect trading robot for any platform in this difficult time. So first of all, when you are choosing an expert advisor, think about it. What are your trading preferences? What do you trade? What instruments do you trade? What is your trading style? Because when you go ahead, you open a market where you can buy EAs. Everybody is going to try to sell you their EAs, no matter how bad they are. And you have to be very careful. And if you think about your trading style preferences, your whole perspective on trading, it will be harder to scam you. And the first tip what this topic is how to prevent scamming, because this industry is full of scammers. Even now, I am doing this for a couple of years now, and even now 99% of the EAs out there are martingale EAs or grid EAs, or all of these gambling stuff combined that are losing and blowing your account in a few months. So the first thing is to think about what is your trading, how you can handle like scalping or long-term trading, because if you are not choosing the right EA, if you couldn't trade the strategy mentally, um, manually, that you choose in an EA, you won't be able to really trust the EA to trade for you. If you are like a long-term trader, you or medium-term trader, you hold trades for a couple of days, and then you go ahead, you want to buy an EA, and you buy a scalper that is going to open hundreds of trades for you. And of course, the seller told you that it is the best EA and you are going to make $1 million with it, so you bought it. But your emotions, your psychology won't be able to handle this much. And so I recommend for you to write down your preferences about trading, and then go ahead and evaluate different kind of trading EAs and ask for the full like portfolio analysis and everything, so you can actually analyze if that particular EA is suitable for you. The second tip for you is avoid the get rich quick promises. In fact, I would say avoid all EAs that come with promises, because trading is a probabilistic game. You can't promise stuff, you can't promise numbers. If you could, you would be literally God, because but you are just a human. You can't predict the markets. If the markets could be predicted, there would be no market movement, because it is just how the world is working. It is called risk management. It's a position that is called risk management when you are working for a hedge fund, you know. So trading is not about promises and that you can predict the markets with the perfect, most intelligent AI strategy, because trading is about risk management. So all of the sellers who are actually promising results, and they don't tell you that they could they can only tell you the statistics that they know from backtesting, from live trading, from stress testing, Monte Carlo analysis. If they tell anything more, they probably want to scam you. Of course, it is fair to tell an approximate number based on the past, what this EA can be capable of, what this EA can make in a month or in a year. But you can't be 100% sure, and you can't tell that, yeah, this EA can make 10% a month, every month, and there is no losing month. And I wanted to tell you this because I get many messages about this. Like, do you have an EA that doesn't ever, lose? And no, it, nobody uh, has an EA like that. It is not how the market is working. And if you ask me this many times, I am going to go crazy. So you have to consider yourself a risk manager and not like a god who can predict the markets, even with a super intelligent AI EA. The third tip is make sure that the EA that you want to purchase, want to get, it has at least 5 to 10 years of backtest. And it is very important because if you are creating an EA, if you are coding an EA and optimizing it and testing it, you know that it is very easy to make an EA look good for a 1-year period. And if you test it for a 10-year period, it is not that easy anymore. And it is also very important to mention for this part, you have to always ask for the 99.9% tick data test. And it is very important that also swap should be included, and spread, a realistic spread should be included. And because if you have seen my other video, I actually showed the comparison between the low quality tick data test and the high quality tick data test. And any seller can easily show you a backtest result with a low quality tick data test that will be looking good, but with a 99.9% tick data test, it is very, very tough to get a good result for a 10-year period, and additionally on multiple pairs, not just one pair, but on multiple pairs. And this is very important because when you are buying an EA, of course, if you find a good seller, the EAs will be updated on a frequent basis, but still you want to look for an EA that proved to work in multiple market conditions, because if it only has like a 1-year backtest or 2-year backtest, it is just one market condition. But a 10-year backtest, it is most of the time enough to evaluate how an EA would react, how a strategy would react in different market conditions. And if you are living on this planet right now, you know that every year there is something very new, like a pandemic, a war, who knows what will be coming in the next years. So you want to have a robust algorithm. The fourth tip is, in my opinion, it is very important for me personally, choose an EA that is customizable, that you can adjust, where you can adjust the parameters. I have seen so many EAs where the parameters are not really adjustable. You can't do anything with the EA. And it is not only important if the buyer, stops, updating the EA. And it is completely useless after that if you can't adjust the parameters. But also you want to have some control over your EA, like risk percent and spread filter, time filter, I don't know, trading stop, adjustable, take profit, stop loss. But it's even better if you have some core entry and exit strategy parameters, because an EA is more viable long term if you can adjust it and customize it. And it also shows that it is not just a simple martingale strategy that is going to blow your account, but it has a real strategy behind the mask. The fifth tip is, before you buy the EA, let's say you decided that, yeah, this EA is looking good, it has backtests, um, stress testing with quant analyzer, Monte Carlo analysis, it has portfolio analysis, like the strategy is my style, the risk management is also kind of my style that I can handle emotionally, so the EA is suitable for me. It is also trading multiple pairs, and you decided to buy it, but first make sure that the seller, developer of the EA, is providing a good customer support, because if you don't get support after you bought the EA, it is not really, it, it doesn't worth it, because there will be questions about the working of the EA, about setting up the EA perfectly, um, and also about the updates. And if you can't reach the developer, it is not really a situation that you want to be in, because you most likely will spend a couple hundred or even thousands of dollars. And the least a developer can do is provide good support. And also the lack of support, most of the time, it proves that the seller itself knows that the EA that he or she is selling is not working. And so um, the only way to just grab the money and run, if there is no customer support, because these sellers already know that the EA will fail. This is 100%. But sometimes sometimes it happens that they threaten you to not write bad reviews, and most of the time they buy hundreds of good reviews, and they make you believe that they are transparent and they want they are going to provide support, but after you bought the EA they don't provide any support. I know this because many traders write to me about this, and most of the time they are very happy that I help them to actually set up the EA and with any questions. And it is sad to see how rare it is that traders are actually like moved by a seller, a developer who is actually helping. It is crazy. And also most of the time the seller is not the developer, so the seller won't be able to answer all your questions, because the seller doesn't know the answers, because it doesn't know the EA itself. I hope these tips were interesting and useful for you, and I hope you won't be scammed by another martingale EA seller. If you have any questions about this topic, let me know in the comments and subscribe to this beautiful channel. Ciao.